Good morning, students. Welcome to today's section, that is 17/6/2020. And today we are going to discuss our worksheet of chapter 5. Okay, solid, liquid and gases. So everyone take your worksheet with a pencil and then marks the objectives in the work. So first one, matter exists in the following forms. So matter can be exist in solid, liquid as well as the gases. So underline the option D, all of the above. Second one, which is not true for the gases. First option, particles are very loosely packed. Second, lot of interparticle. Third one, negligible interparticle force. So these are all the properties of gases. Only not property is they do not have the fixed shape. So underline the option C. Third one, melting changes. So the process of converting solid into liquid, it is called as a melting. So underline the option D, solid into liquid. Fourth one, process by which a gas changes into liquid, it is called as a condensation. So underline the word condensation. Fifth one, this is a chemical change. So freezing of water, melting wax and melting of ice, they are all physical changes. Only burning of food is a chemical change. Then write true or false. In solids, the particles are tightly packed. It is a true. Only in solids, the particles are tightly packed with each other. So write the option true. Next one, liquid has fixed shape. So it is a false. Liquid has a definite volume but they do not have the shape. So the statement is false. Third one, ice is an example of liquid. So ice is an example of solid. So the statement is false. Fourth one, formation of ice from water is an example of freezing. Yes, it is an example of the freezing. Take your water and put it in the freezer. What will happen? The water will be converted into ice. So it is a statement is true. Fifth one, melting of ice is a chemical change. So it is a false. Melting of ice is a physical change. Then match the following. First one, particles are tightly packed. So particles are tightly packed in solid. So the option is second. Second one, particles are loosely packed. So it is a liquid. Third one, point at which the solid melt into liquid. Melt means it is a melting point. Fifth option, mark it fifth option. Fourth one, point at which the liquid changes to solid. Liquid changes to solid means it is a freezing point. And then fifth one, point at which the liquid evaporate to gas, it is called as a boiling point. Fourth one, name the following. Any substance that has a mass, take up the space and has unique property, it is called as a matter. Second one, the space between particles of matter, it is called interparticle space. Third one, the force of attraction. So what is the name of force of attraction? It is called interparticle space. Fourth one, the process by which a gas changes into liquid form on cooling, It is called as a condensation. Fifth one, the increase in the size of the substance on heating. It is called expansion. So it is not given, just write expansion for fifth. EXPANSION, expansion. Then short answer. First one, define the boiling point. What is the boiling point? The temperature where the liquid changes into gas. It is called as a boiling point. Then second one, define melting. Melting means changing the solid into liquid on heating. Example, melting of a wax. Third one, you have to write any two characters. So in your book, 3 options are given. You can write any 2. It's your wish. Fourth one, how are particles arranged in gas? So in gases, the particles are loosely packed and they have the lot of interparticle space. So the particles move easily in all the direction. Fifth one, define contraction. The decrease in the volume of a substance on cooling is called a contraction. Then long answer. It is also already discussed in your book, expansion and contraction. Expansion means what? The increase in the size. When the substance is heated, the size will be increasing. It is called as an expansion. And contraction means the decrease in the volume on cooling. It is called as a contraction. Then compare the solidification and vaporization. Solidification means by which a liquid changes into solid state on cooling. Vaporization means in which a liquid changes into the gases. Then this also same given in your book. What is the physical and the chemical change? So we have discussed our 5th chapter, solid, liquid and gases. Up to today, our PA1 worksheet has been completed.